We're looking to have students pay the interest rate on federal loans as banks pay to the Federal Reserve. Our Rich Edson is live from Capitol Hill with the latest interesting comparison.
Yeah, and there are plenty of different student loan bills that are coming through Congress right now and in Washington because federally subsidized Stafford loans, the rates on them are set to double on July 1st. You take a look here at what Liz Warren wants to do, Senator from Massachusetts. She wants to allow students to borrow from the primary discount window. That's the overnight emergency lending that the Fed does for banks. They put up collateral. 0.75% is the rate there. Federal Stafford loan rates right now at 3.4%. They're set to double to 6.8%. There's plenty of talk about this proposal in Washington from Elizabeth Warren, and a number of folks here are split over the consequences.
It's absolutely a good idea to bring the interest rates down that kids have to pay, and that I think the Warren bill is showing that, hey, we're letting banks borrow money at less than 1%, and middle-class families are going to have to pay 6.8% to borrow money to send their kids to college.
So they're sort of grasping at straws for, well, we just want to lower the rates, and so we've got to come up with some rationale for it if the rates are already below market. And so they're just looking around for somewhere where interest rates are lower and saying, well, let's make it about that and not really about student loans.
It appears likely that in Congress there is support for other proposals other than the Warren proposal to bring down those student loan rates and to avoid that 6.8% increase, or the increase to 6.8% on July 1st. Back to you.
Now, quickly, Rich, it was just last summer, right, that Congress, as part of the transportation bill, right, voted to extend those low rates on the federally subsidized student loans. What's the likelihood they could do it again and keep that rate around 3.4% instead of letting it double?
It appears likely. House Republicans are discussing their own proposal. The White House has its proposal out, and it might be something that could actually get done before July.
Well, there's that. Okay, Rich, thanks.